All right, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. Today we are looking pretty nice on the market, and I wanted to bring you a quick update. I am now back in Dubai. My home studio is an absolute mess. I'm going to get that sorted out tomorrow, and I'm going to start making good quality videos again for you guys. With that said, if you don't know me already, the name's Connor, not a financial advisor. Don't make any financial decisions based on these videos because I'm just a random dude, right? With that said, we do have Lunar Classic up 6.1% today, and the overall market looking quite nice. This is because, of course, Bitcoin is having a little bit of a run from those lows that we did hit. Down there at about 19,400 is where we hit. We could be still trying to make our way back above this 200 MA, which would be very nice for the market. We do, however, have a high likelihood of coming down and retesting around the $17,000 mark, maybe even lower going forward. The DXY did put in a new higher high, so check that out up here. It's a new higher high. So this isn't looking very bullish for the crypto market, but it is looking very bullish for the DXY market. With that said, we got Terra Classic today up 5%, with the overall cryptocurrency market only up 1.3%. So Terra Classic again up against the market, but the cryptocurrency market has lost its $1 trillion mark, which isn't so great. It's not something we wanted to see. We wanted to see it hold that, but this sort of thing is expected in this market, right? We've been talking about this for a while on the channel. Of course, we are in a downward trend. This little thing we saw here was definitely just a bear flag. We've seen it break down. Will we go down further? We're unknown really where we are now. We did bounce off this line down here that we did play into before. So it's really anyone's guess right now. Before I get into another trade personally, I'm going to look for a retest up here around the 21,000. Maybe that is an opportunity to get into a short position, potentially for it to ride down lower. A nice little retest of that, maybe even as low as the 2,800 might see a nice retest zone. So between 2,800 and around 21.5, I'm going to be looking at closely. If you do want to make the best of this situation, you can of course trade over on BitGet. They do have $4,400 worth of bonuses down there in the description. Highly suggest getting them before they're gone. And of course they do have copy trading, which is on there, and it works. So far so good. I'm up $457 on this month, and I put in $1,000, so that's around a 45% return, which is pretty good, but this does hold a lot of risk. So go onto my main channel, watch the video at the very front of that main channel before trying that, but definitely get your hands on that bonus right now. And of course there is a link to Binance down there where you can do your spot trading when you can get a $600 bonus, so definitely suggest doing that over on Terra Classic. I have a question for you guys, an interesting post from CZ here. I'm not sure how old this is. I think this might be quite old, but this is what diamond hands look like. The coins were never moved off the receiving address. This is a non-trader hold strategy. If you adopt this strategy, you should have some diversification, not financial advice. So they received 15 million Lunar at its peak, worth $1.6 billion from an investment of around 3 million. So that's a 560x return at peak, and it still sits on the wallet address that it received it at. They never moved it or sold it. Now I have a question for you guys. Do you think this was clever, or do you think that CZ should have been taking profits? Now I'm an advocate for taking profits, but I do want to hear from you guys what you think about that. But it is very nice what we're seeing right now with Terra Classic. The volume is slowly coming back down 17% today at 161 million, which isn't necessarily too bad. Still good there, but we are still waiting for news that these big overall centralized exchanges will put in this burn. Now there was another tweet that I want to talk about here. So Lunar Classic, 202 million movement in the last 24 hours. This represents a burn of 19.6 billion tokens. If this daily volume continues, there will be 588 billion burnings per month. In December, it will be 2 trillion less tokens. Now, I want you guys to remember that this isn't the whole story. Yes, if there is 200 movement, that is a burn of 19.6 billion tokens. That is only if that math is correct. I haven't double checked that math, but that is only correct if Binance, KuCoin, Gato, FTX, Huobi, Kraken, KuCoin, Kraken, KuCoin, Bithumb, Bitfinex, and all of these other exchanges actually put on the burn tax, which they have not done yet. So do pay attention to that. I am still quite bullish on this. I'm very excited about where this community is going to go, where the coin's going to go, and of course I am trying to get into the top burners list here on the channel, and I need your help for that. So if we do head here to the analytics, we can see right now we have made $800 on this channel on the very first month of it ever being monetized. Absolutely incredible. Now, please do come over and follow the channel right now. Only around, where is it? Only around 22% of you guys are subscribed. It would be a massive help if you do subscribe to the channel. 77% about out yet. 77% of you out there have not subscribed yet, so it really will help. And of course it will help with the burning, right? The more people who watch these videos, share it, like it, comment, all of that sort of stuff adds to this. So everything you're doing is really, really great for the channel and really great for the lunar burn, which is the reason why we're donating here. So big community push here on the channel. Very excited about it. Hopefully I provided you some value today. If I did, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. Remember, turn on your notifications if you've subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. All of you guys are absolutely amazing. I love you guys. And this is obviously the time to have a chat with you. Sorry, I didn't make, oh no, I did make a video yesterday, but basically I traveled from Bali back to here in Dubai, and I've been completely flat out. I got back in the middle of the night. I've been to banks and all of this crazy stuff today, but a very exciting thing has happened. If anyone has been following me since my early days on my main channel, you would know that one of the things I spoke about was taking profits and buying assets in the real world. And I did that back in the bull run. And this is one of my properties here in Dubai that I managed to buy. And please don't take this as bragging at all. This is not at all what I'm trying to get from this. I really, it's kind of awkward to even talk about it, but I want to show basically me a few years ago, what the possibilities of just being involved in crypto and just having your head screwed on, taking advantage of opportunities in e-commerce and all of that can do. So I bought this place here in downtown Dubai. It's a 1-bedroom apartment, and I'll put it on to Airbnb, and I think we'll make some decent money. So this is the view. This is the view here in downtown Dubai. There's a new little marina sort of place building there, and I think this place is going to do very well as a short-term rental unit. We've got a little bit of grass down there. Doesn't look very nice, but there's a pool and everything, so it's very nice. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys because I'm very excited about this. If you guys do have any questions about buying property with cryptocurrency, I can totally help you out. So if you want to hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, any of them, they're all in the description. I'll be happy to chat around with you. But this is the main area. We've got the kitchen, little tiny kitchenette. We also have this small living area. It's a very small apartment, but I think it's going to be perfect for Airbnb. We also have here the master room. And yeah, I did buy this entirely with cryptocurrency profits. I bought it with crypto using a crypto real estate agent, which again, I can put you guys in touch with. But yeah, very exciting. Just wanted to show you this quickly, and I'll see you guys in the next video.